Welcome to this session on critical thinking at university. This session is for students across Africa who are preparing for or have just started university study. At university, success depends not just on what you know, but on how you think, how you question ideas, and how you apply knowledge. Critical thinking means analyzing, evaluating, and questioning information. Instead of memorizing facts, you ask, why is this argument being made? What evidence supports it? And are there other explanations? At university, learning is more independent. Lecturers guide you, but they do not give you all the answers. You manage your time, complete readings, and build your own understanding. Many African students enter learning environments that feel very different. Large classes, independent note-taking, and many information sources are common. Some students may be first-generation university learners.
The lectures are tough. The English
Teaching
is hard.
styles may feel unfamiliar. Language and confidence can also be challenges. These experiences are real, but critical thinking helps you adapt. In lectures, critical thinking means listening actively. Focus on key ideas, not just copying slides. Summarize concepts in your own words. In tutorials, you are expected to participate. You may share opinions, analyze readings, and discuss ideas. Respectful disagreement is encouraged. Pause and reflect. How different is this from how you learned at school? What adjustment might you need to make? University reading lists include different viewpoints. Not all sources agree or carry equal strength. Critical reading means comparing arguments and evaluating evidence. Critical thinking applies to real issues. You may analyze development policies, education systems, or health challenges. You compare global theories with local realities. University assignments require arguments, not just descriptions. You must support ideas with evidence. Referencing shows honesty and strengthens your work. Many students study in a second or third language. Critical thinking is about ideas, not accent. Confidence grows with practice and feedback. New students often rely only on slides. They describe instead of analyze. They avoid participation or start assignments too late. Develop critical thinking by asking why and how questions. Compare sources. Discuss ideas with others. Reflect on feedback.